No,
Lay it on the side. Go ahead and put your vegetables in. Nothing. It's not going to do nothing. Pour it. We, the audience, we're watching. It's a cooking show. Kiana got a good audience. Even baby. And daddy. All right, next you sprayed your pan. Now you're gonna put your garlic knots in the pan.
That stinks.
It's okay. It's pan spray.
Well, I'm one of those kids on the baking shows.
You gotta move fast. Your stir fry is cooking. It's gonna stick to the bottom. You gotta get your knots in the oven. Time remaining. Knots going in the oven. Good job. Stir your stir fry.
There's no good butter. There goes one of my audience. I guess they got bored.
Your audience member left. Always keep your station clean and wash your hands. Soap, please. We have Chef just checking on her food. Did you check on your garlic knots?
Make sure those aren't looking a bit toasty.
Watch your handle.
KFCs have gone off. I know we don't have any face masks, but we do have to keep it clean. So, open your hands. Have to wait a second, because most of my...
All right, we have Chef stirring up her stir fry. So, Chef, what is it that you're cooking?
So, the meal course that I was cooking is the course of the meals is the stir fry. That we need some pepper. So,
Don't hit your handle.
we don't need Italian seasoning. So let's just be very light with it.
All right, close your cabinet. You got your food, your stir fry turned down low. You got your oven off. Get your mitten, put your mitten on, and get your bread out. All right, grab your bread.
I'm scared.
You have your mitten on, you're fine. No, just grab it from the bottom. Turn your hand how you had it the first time.
Is this good?
Okay. Good job. Close your oven, put your mitten back. Bailey, so what do you think, Bailey? How do you think Sissy's doing? She's doing good? She's doing good? What'd you do, Chef?
While I was throwing things, I might have and sliced
Broke
right
a
down
glass.
the glass. But that's not my first one.
All right, Kiani's fixing plates.
Keep an eye on your plate, because this is your plate. And we want to move it over so that way you can have your bread knots. Thank you all for watching my Chef Irving show. And I would love to thank my beautiful audience, Bailey, Mommy, and Daddy.
Woo!